Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create presentation slides? Imagine transforming any text or topic into professional, eye-catching slides in seconds. Introducing SlidesAI, your ultimate companion for effortless slide creation. Let's dive in. First, install the SlidesAI.io extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once added, open Google Slides and navigate to the Extensions menu. Click on SlidesAI and select Generate New Slides. Now, click from your own text and enter your text. Then, choose your appearance settings, the presentation type, doc, number of slides, style, and color preset. Click Create Slide and watch as your text transforms into beautiful slides. Customize your slides by adjusting the font style and size, adding animations to bring your presentation to life. Preview your final presentation with Slideshow and share it by copying the link. Want to generate slides from a topic? No problem. Enter your desired topic along with some additional information to guide the AI. It will generate slides. You can now fine-tune each slide, adjust the font style and size, and insert relevant images. Once everything looks perfect, preview your creation. And there you have it, a powerful, time-saving tool to create stunning presentations in seconds. Experience the magic of SlidesAI today and elevate your presentations to the next level. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.